Right, we've got the 2-button remote fob for the Land Rover Defender Freelander, basically most of the Rover range. As you can see, this one is in reasonably good condition, but the battery is not working. If I bring the tester in here, turn the magic tester on, press the button, and there's nothing there on the RF. Oh, it's very faint, but it's not there. So what we'll do is we'll take that tester out of the way, and we will simply put a screwdriver in just about here and turn on a 90°, very gently. So squidge it in there, be careful not to damage anything. And once you've got it in, just prise it very gently open, very gently. And there you go, you see that battery there. If you take note that on the top side there it says a plus, that's the way the battery needs to be around. So the best way to do it, in my experience, is get a screwdriver and push it in behind that battery and just gently push that battery down. Be very careful not to touch the board. Once you get it to a certain level, you can put your thumb on, pull like that, and it'll come out. Now, that battery's dead, as you can see, but it's a CR2032. Please make sure you dispose of it properly, because they are lethal when they get in the kids' bellies. So if we bring this other battery in, which we know is a good one, simply reversal. So push in, make sure you go firmly up to this edge here where my thumb is. Take the rear case, replace it back on. A gentle squidge and it will go back together. So therefore that should now work. Let's bring the tester back in, turn the radio frequency on. There you go, can you see that red light? There you go, both buttons working absolutely lovely. If you're buying one of these and you need to buy a replacement, you will also find on the back here there's another number, 17TN or 3TXB. This is the 3TXB.